The 2013 Hyundai Veloster's bold, three-door design retains the lines of a coupe while offering easy access to the back seat via the passenger side rear door.
It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Confidence and poise are expressed throughout the exterior. An integrated spoiler at the rear contributes to a sporty look, enhancing the aggressive stance.
Once inside, the attention to safety and security is obvious. The split-folding rear seats coupled with the hatchback body style allow for a highly configurable interior. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear window wiper, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, available panoramic sunroof, available touchscreen navigation system with rear-view camera, and cruise control. The Veloster offers a spacious, well-appointed interior and 60/40 split-fold flat rear seats for flexible storage.